Hi, my name is Yara Harb, and I'm a physiotherapist and a fellow at the Canadian Academy of Manipulative Physiotherapists. In my spare time, I like to practice yoga, and over the pandemic, I really started focusing on back bends, inversions, and splits. Some of my patients who do similar training have told me that there's a plethora of social media content with these crazy poses that have forced them to outpace themselves in their flexibility training and has resulted in muscle strains as a result of overstretching. I tell my patients that it's more important for them to focus on their mobility versus their flexibility gains. And that means that we want them strong and stable at the end of their range. As an FCAMT, I teach my patients tricks and tips on how to prepare the muscle for a stretch, how to get into the stretch, how long to stay in the stretch, and then how to also account for other body parts that might be limiting the flexibility gains. I also tell them how to tap into the brain and trick it to relax and not overprotect. If you are in the Ottawa area and you are experiencing muscle strains as a result of overstretching, you can find me at Physio First on Canatech Road. We're a clinic that prides itself on the exceptional care provided by our FCAMs, and we are patient-centered in our care, and we look after your values and your needs.
CAMPT-Certified physiotherapists have received internationally recognized training in hands-on therapy. We can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier. So if you want to stay active in the things you love to do, then look for this logo. For more information on how to find a CAMPT-Certified physiotherapist, visit www.minutpt.org.